So in this video, I will show you how you can install Jamal for the AsciiDoc processor. And Jamal can work as a preprocessor for AsciiDoc, which is very neat because, especially not for AsciiDoc, for AsciiDoctor, which is an implementation of AsciiDoc. And it's very neat because there is a plugin into IntelliJ which uses AsciiDoctor and which is capable doing a WYSIWYG editor, kind of, because on left side of the screen or on the right, if you configure it differently, you see what you are editing, so the source file. And then on the other side, you see how it is formatted. And if you configure and install Jamal to your project, then you will be able to edit Jamal enhanced AsciiDoc on the fly and have a WYSIWYG result. And in this video, I will show you how you can do that. First of all, I will download Jamal, and for the purpose, I will open a Firefox and download from the Maven Central the Jamal installation. But first, we go to github.com/varhash/Jamal, because this is where we can start, and I don't remember all the URLs, but I can remember this very well. And then here I have this sub-project, AsciiDoc Jamal AsciiDoc. And here in the documentation, it says that this is where you can download the Jamal AsciiDoc distribution. So I download it from here. And this zip file contains everything that you need, all the files and all the jar files, all the dependencies and everything what you need. And it's downloaded. Let's go to the directory where the Jamal source is. And when I'm creating this video, I'm always using as an example the Jamal project itself, because you should eat your own dog food and what else. And here I have the directory AsciiDoctor, and this directory has a library, and here we have a lot of jar files. So let's just remove all these files. Yes, I am sure. Now, if we look at it again, then we have no files here. I just don't know why we don't have the cursor, but anyway, let's just restart this iTerm. And now I can go to this directory . And I can unzip the downloaded file. So I copied here the latest release. And if I've done that, then we can just start IntelliJ. It's automatically loading my Jamal project. And let's go and have a look at the settings, and let's have a look at the plugins. And here I have AsciiDoctor IntelliJ plugin project installed. If it's not installed, then install it and also enable it. I also have some other plugins which are not really interesting at this moment. So this is something that it has to be installed. This preprocessor works on Jamal files, and it's a convention that we are naming our files with the extension jam. And since it's processing and creating AsciiDoc files, so that the extension will be .adoc.jam. And we want IntelliJ think that this AsciiDoc.jump file is an AsciiDoc file. Therefore, we have to go to the settings. So yes, we come here to editor file types, and then we come here and AsciiDoc files. Yes, it's here. And add the AsciiDoc.gem and AsciiDoc.gem. I usually use AsciiDoc.gem only. And what we have to do here to add here this AsciiDoc.gem so that the editor will realize that, okay, if something is AsciiDoc.gem with extension, then this is also an AsciiDoc file. And if it's done, then we can open an AsciiDoc.jump file like this test playground, which is now totally empty. And we can edit some AsciiDoc. So if I edit like, it appears as a title because it's a title, but I can also create some macro. And what you immediately see is that there is a warning, an error in it, and the rendering shows you the error. And the rendering shows you the error at the start of the file, where the problem really is, and at the end of the file. And at the end of the file, it's a very, very long and very detailed error message that contains everything, sometimes too much, but anyway, it's still there. And so the reason for this error right now is that I just started to write a macro. I haven't finished it, and that's not closed. And in this case, the macro start string in AsciiDoc and in this plugin by default is curly braces and percentage, and the closing is percentage and curly brace close. And immediately the error disappeared. And if I want to have here something like I'm using it, then I will immediately get that, well, A is 13. So I am defining here a macro and I'm using this macro. I don't want to go into something more complicated in this video because this is just a demonstration that it works. Installation is nice and shiny. And generally that's it. We have installed Jamal into IntelliJ for AsciiDoc, and we can use it nicely and safely, and let's give it a go.